Samsung's main focus for 2025 is, you guessed it, AI. But why should you care? Because AI doesn't just mean upgrading your devices. It means understanding your purchases and rewriting what they can do all together. So, instead of looking at hardware, let's take a look at software. What's been new since the S24 series? We've got the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And they all come with a suite of upgraded AI features tailored for everyday users. But digital creators, you might want to pay attention to what it can do for you. While the Galaxy S24 introduced basic task tracking, the Galaxy S25 now includes a built-in proactive assistant which integrates advanced AI curation. It tracks your day, schedules reminders, and even curates personalized summaries. And it really pairs well with their Now bar, Samsung's intelligent lock screen that gives you live updates and notifications from your favorite apps directly to your lock screen. This year, Samsung introducing Best Face. You know how in group pictures, there's always that one person accidentally blinking, or they came in the picture a second too slow and they're blurry? This AI feature identifies the best expressions for everyone in the motion photo. You get a few options to mix and match, and it stitches them together seamlessly. Alright, so this one's really exciting for me because the Galaxy S25 series just introduced Galaxy Log. It's Samsung's first RAW video shooting mode. The Galaxy S24 supports basic HDR video capture, while the Galaxy S25's RAW capabilities record dynamic ranges for vibrant post-production. For creators, this means shooting with your smartphone has the same quality as shooting on a professional camera. You also get a built-in correct color tool. There's an audio eraser built in the Galaxy S25. Whether it's voice, crowd noise, or background hum, the audio erasers cleans up your audio tracks just like that. It's really great when you're working in challenging environments and you get studio quality audio without the need for complex editing softwares. And I think this could be a really fun feature to have, especially for content creators who upload their content straight from their smartphones. And for all the photos you take, AI Eraser on the Galaxy S25 series has seriously improved compared to the Galaxy S24 series. It's cleaner and more professional looking. You're able to clean up your visuals with minimal effort. Okay, so you might be familiar with Circle to Search with Google feature, where you can circle to search anything on the web. But what's new on the Galaxy S25 series includes a built-in audio recognition feature to search for music too. Which brings us to AI Select. There's conversational search, cross-app integrations, and features like location finders. AI Select transforms how you interact with your device. This means enhanced multitasking and quicker access to resources. With all these AI features, the biggest worry, at least I have, is on privacy and security. But the Galaxy S25 safely stores your data with on-device protection and cloud integration. If you're managing sensitive projects and information, this means a peace of mind knowing your files are secure and accessible only to you. A couple of bonus highlights on the Galaxy S25 are the new accessories and colors available. They've introduced a range of sleek new accessories like the standard grip case with interchangeable components, magnetic cases, and more. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also comes in stunning titanium black, titanium silver blue, titanium grey, and titanium white silver finishes. The Galaxy S25 series definitely has AI enhancement made for everyone, but it definitely caught my attention as a video producer. From Galaxy Log for precise RAW video capture to AI tools like Audio Eraser and AI Eraser, this toolkit is able to elevate your production value straight from your pocket. I'm pretty excited to see the content that people will make on the Galaxy S25 series with the Galaxy Log. So please, if you're getting the Galaxy S25, drop in your links. I would love to see your creation. Stay tuned for the full review of the S25 series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.